Hello everyone! Andito tayo ngayon sa Sodarios Farm, which is located dito sa Nanaguan City of Ilagan, Isabela. Ito yung farm or plantation na napili namin na gagawan ng video and i-interview na din at the same time yung nagmamanage or yung tagapangasiwa dito sa plantation na to. So, puntaan natin.
This species is manga, as we call it in Tagalog, and mango in English name or the common name. Mangifera indica as the scientific name of this species and came from Anacardiaceae family. Mangifera indica is classified as a tree with a height of approximately 3 to 5 meter and above. Mangifera indica is branchy with clearly recent exudate that is common in Anacardiaceae family, and the clear reason is itchy when it touch or fall in your skin.
The plantation we choose was not only a plantation of mango but also a plantation of pineapple and banana. It also have a rice field which is considered as an agroforestry. As a matter of fact, not too long ago they harvested their mango and they took 2 days to finish harvest the 1 hectare of the plantation. For their first harvest, mahigit kumulang 3,000 kilo ng mangga ang kanilang naangkat. 2 trailer truck ang nagamit. Ang mga ilang natitirang mangga na hindi pa na-harvest ay kanilang binibenta sa kalapit na market.
In this plantation, they have livestock like piggery and poultry na siyang pinagkukunin nila ng pakain. Ang babayan ay isa rin sa pinagkikinabangan na inaalagaan at binibenta sa kalapit na market.
Mango provide a valuable source of fruit. Known for their delicious taste and nutritional value, they can also provide shade that can reduce the impact of heat on your garden and on your property. Additionally, mango trees provide soil fertility for your plantation and overall biodiversity, being beneficial insects and wildlife.
This plantation was established in the year of 2000 and they planted 460 seedlings of mango in the area, and it was totally fully established. It's experienced some disturbance such as typhoon, wherein only 160 out of 460 planted seedlings was survived. In the year of 2005, the mango tree bore its first fruit, and it's also start of the first harvest and the profit or income of the plantation after 4.5 years of waiting after the planting period and to become full-grown mango plantation.
Mang Sodario, the owner of the plantation, said that they started planting the mango seedling where the Department of Agriculture Regional Office 2 gave a free seedlings to them and which is a total of 460 mango seedlings. So Mang Sodario didn't spend any amount during the planting period because they are the only one who planted it on the area. 2 Tropicot fertilizer, which is equivalent to 2,300 pesos per bag, and 10 bags of Royal fertilizer were used. This fertilizer also given by the DA may be one of their projects to help the farmers to have an extra income.
January 1 when they started to apply insecticide and spray foliar fertilizer, and right after January 4 when they spray the mango trees again. They wait 15 days because the flowering season is started, and then they apply again insecticide and foliar fertilizer. And right after 30 days of waiting, the mango trees in fluorescence started to bear a fruit, and it lasts 30 to 42 days after flowering period. Then they apply again insecticide and foliar fertilizer in a third time to prevent pest and pathogen invasion that can affect the mango fruit that can produce the high quality of mango during the harvesting period. And after 2 months, the mango were like corn seed in size, and they spray full blast to remove the dead inflorescence and fruit of the mango during the fruiting season. And it lasts 90 to 95 days or 3 months of waiting before the fully developed mango fruit that readily harvested, and they sell it on the market.
plantation was classified as agroforestry because of its mixed crops and livestock. They have such piggeries, poultry, rice fields, pineapple and banana are planted with the mango trees. The area is nearly at the river or creek side. The water sources is abundant because they have free access.